You want freedom? You need money. You want to travel the world. You want to do exactly what you love all day, every day. You want to retire early. You will need money. Money or passion or both. Follow your heart, follow your dream, do what you love. It sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But will money follow? Would you believe it if I said you can eat all you want and you lose weight? How can you make money doing what you love? Let's get real. You want freedom? You need money. You want to travel the world. You want to do exactly what you love all day, every day. You want to retire early. You will need money. Does that mean that you have to choose between what you love and making money? I didn't say that. But I do say this. People don't care about your passion. You have to give them something. And that's exactly what I want to talk about in this video. Tell you exactly what you need to do to monetize your passion. Also, make sure there is a free download PDF below that is a work guide, that is a guide to help you monetize and figure out how to monetize your skills. So let's dive into this video. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3, and we can get started. The first thing you need is to know what your passion is. Okay? So do you like cooking? Do you like baking? Do you like singing? Do you like dancing? Do you like artwork, painting, drawing? What's your passion? If you're not sure what your passion and your purpose is, I did make a video on that. So I'll link that below or I'll pop it up here. I do love what Dan Locke once said, and he said, if you want to lose weight, and I would tell you, you can eat anything that you want and then you'll lose weight. Would you believe me? No, because it takes effort. It takes effort to lose that weight. Your goal is to lose weight, but you'll have to exercise. You'll have to follow a diet. You'll have to eat specific things and not eat other things. Does that mean that you love doing those things? No, you don't, but it will make you achieve that goal that you have. So here's the same with monetizing your passion, which brings me to step number 2, which is how do you monetize your passion? How do you go from passion to profit? It takes effort. If you want to grow a business, if you want to start up a business and make money, you will need to give people value. You will need to give people what they want. People don't care about your passion. People need solutions for their problem. So the easy way to explain this is you give service, money will follow. You have to turn your passion into income skills. How? By giving the service that people need, by solving a problem that people have, by helping, providing an outcome through your skills. So turn your passion into income skills. Provide a service that people need. How do you do that? Ask yourself, 1, what is my passion? 2, when are people needing this? The thing that you offer. 3, is there anybody else providing this already? And 4, how are you different than the others? How are you unique, and can you provide uniqueness so that people will want your service, your product, your outcome? People don't care about you. People care and will pay for what they need, for the outcome they need. They will pay for what they want and they need. Give service and money will follow, 100% guaranteed. Now I'm going to quote Earl Nightingale, who sums it up brilliantly in 3 steps. Earl Nightingale, and I will link his books below because I studied this man, he's magnificent. The amount of money we receive will always be in direct ratio of the demand for what we do, the ability to do it, and the difficulty to replace it. So those are the 3 steps. 1, is there a demand for your passion? 2, do you have the skill or the ability to do it? And 3, are you unique and different than the others to do this so that nobody can replace you? That's the secret. That is the secret. So yes, can you monetize your passion? Yes, but make sure you give what people want and need. Remember, last but not least, super, super, super important, you have to keep enjoying and having fun. It is your passion. Yes, you will receive money by making other people happy, but you have to stay happy as well. So enjoy the process, have fun. It will lift your energy and the energy of others. Now, if you're not sure what business ideas, what side hustles, how to make money online, I will put the most important videos popping up right here, right now, and also link it below in the description. And remember to download that free guide to monetize your passion, and I will see you in the next video.